Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Hi, my name is Ayu Srimenda Baru Sitepu. My student is Universitas Negeri Medan. Well, here I will present my PowerPoint on the development of physical teaching material. Because of the COVID-19 condition, I will present it online. Okay, development of guided inquiry based instructional material to improve student science process skills. A paper by Ayu Srimenda Baru Sitepu, Department of Postgrad Physics Education, Universitas Negeri Medan, 3 November 2020. Introduction. The background of the study. Number 1. Development in the learning process is needed. This is supported by a curriculum change that gives teachers flexibility to develop a curriculum in accordance with student characteristics, condition, and potential of school and their respective education units. Number 2, research can be said to be successful if the teaching material meet validity aspect, including 1. Valid, 2. Practical, and 3. Effective. Number 3. Based on the research of observation of physics learning at the Smart Nation Private High School, the teacher has not yet optimized the use of modulus as teaching materials. Review of literature. Number 1. According to Abdul 2011, teaching materials are all forms of materials used to assist teachers. Number 2. Guided inquiry learning model is learning that emphasizes the development of cognitive, affective, and psychomotor aspect in a balanced manner, so that learner thoughts this model is considered more meaningful. Number 3. Science process skills or KPS emphasize to students how students learn and use their execution so that they are easily understood and used in community life. Okay, research method. And then this research can be classified into the method of research and development. Research and development in question is research carried of the product. Guided inquiry based teaching materials development refers to research and development according to Bock and Gold. The teaching materials developed only use the validation of a team of material expert, namely to validator to lectures. The validity of teaching materials is an assessment of academic and practitioners on the format and content of teaching materials measured by an assessment or validation sheet and declare it as very good, good, adequate, poor, or not good. The assessment was carried out by two validators. Research and discussion. Number 1. Research of the material expert assessment. Assessment of physics teaching materials by a team of material experts, namely two physics lecturers at the State University of Medan. The research of the validation, data analysis of each material expert can be seen in the table. Number 1. Research of validation, recapitulation by the material expert team. Number 1, content eligibility. Presentation lab 99. Category very good. Number 2, visibility of presentation of teaching material. Presentation 80. Category good. Number 3, aspect of guided inquiry activity. Presentation 90. Category very good. Number 4, aspect of letters. Presentation 92. Category very good. More. Presentation 97. Category very good. Material expert assess that the physics teaching materials developed are suitable for use as teaching materials of learning in schools because the teaching materials are in accordance with the curriculum, and the placement of problems at the beginning of the presentation is a characteristic of inquiry. Number 2, research of the media expert assessment or product. Assessment of physics teaching materials by a team of media product expert, namely two physics lecturer and the State University of Medan. The research of the validation data analysis of each media expert can be seen in table. Table research of the recapitulation of validation by the design expert team. Number 1, leader designs presentation 95. Category very good. Number 2, skin topography presentation 83. Category very good. Number 3, content designs of teaching materials presentation 91. Category very good. Number 4, illustration of teaching material content presentation 87. Category very good. Amount presentation 86. Category very good. The assessment carried out by the media expert or product validator on physics teaching materials is shown in table with the percentage of the validation research assessment by the research expert team obtained by 86% with the very good category. Okay, conclusion. Number 1, the validity level of physics teaching materials of teaching materials developed with the book angle design based on material expert with the expert of content feasibility is percentage 88 with the very good category. The feasibility of presenting teaching material is percentage 85 with the 85 category. The aspect of guided inquiry activities is 90 with good category, and linguistic expert is 92 percentage with very good category. The total percentage of the material expert assessment recording the development of physics teaching material in high school was 87 with the very good category. Number 2. The validity level of physics teaching material is teaching materials developed with the book and goal design based of media expert with the latter. Design aspect is percentage 85 is very good. The total percentage of the media expert assessment regarding the development of physics teaching material in high school was 86 with the very good category. Okay, thank you very much.